Making a new indirect with copper. I got a 1 inch stick off of a bush out in my forest, and I drilled a hole, 3/8 hole, about 2 inches deep, and I'm going to stick this last little bit of copper I got left in there, and it'll last a long while. My stick is quite long too, and I'll cut that to length once I actually start using it. See, just as easy as that, it's in. I don't hit the wood, so I leave the copper out long. I hit the metal. A lot of people hit the wood, which case you could, eventually when this gets so short, I'll have to hit the wood, but, it's got a ways to go before that happens. And what I'm going to do, you see that piece of paracord inside right there? I'll wrap that around and glue it, and that ought to do. Buy artificial sinew, but what I do is I use the inside of paracord. It's the same thing as artificial sinew. And you just cut a length. I cut about 2 foot. I pull it out. It's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can grab it with my feet. You have to be ambidextrous with this. Grab it, pull it out. You could stick solder in that casing and make no snag sinkers. Just a little hint. But then you take a strand of this, and it's just like the artificial sinew. I'll be back after I wrap the indirect a couple times. All right, I got 3 lengths of paracord wrapped around. Then I'm going to take some glue, probably so it looks cool. This black E6000. Coat the whole thing, leave it dry overnight. Be ready to go after work tomorrow. Now I put enough glue in that when I push down, and this is a tight fit, this 3/8 bit matches this copper pretty good. And I had to really push to get that glue to squeeze out, and that piece will be stuck in there, and this will last me a long time. For thunderstorms tonight, so I put a battery pack hooked up to my Arduino so that if the power blinks, my program doesn't start over. That's the way to do it.